Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and quick recipe how to keep it cool in the summertime. It's heating up, the temperature is 100 degrees Fahrenheit and you feel like drinking cold, something cold, and you don't know what to do. And you have the ingredient in front of you, but you never tried it. I'm going to share some of these quick beverages. You can make it at home, and let's see how I do it. I'm going to use vitamin D regular milk. You can use low-fat milk, whatever you prefer. I'm going to share with you two types of soda. One is 7-Up. Other one is Pepsi. You can use Coke or any flavor you like. 7-Up and Pepsi chill before making it. If you still want it to have really cold, then use some ice. So I'm going to use like 4 cubes on each, and I'll share with you the 7-Up first. So add 7-Up. We're going to pour, or Pepsi, Coke. So we're going to use like a half. So I'm going to pour milk into 7-Up, Pepsi, stir it once. Same thing with the 7-Up. Trust me, if you haven't tried, please try and you're going to like it. It tastes so good. It feels so good. Back home, they use a soda, they call it batta. I don't know if you guys remember, they used to have a small marble inside, you press it down, and that tastes so good. This is with Pepsi. Both have its own flavor. Please try it, and I'm sure you're going to like it. Your kids will enjoy it. This is something new, refreshing drink in hot summer days. If you like this idea to make it quick and easy drink, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps. I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye.